Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here in France. A little bit cloudy, but the sun is out and popping. You guys, so much has been happening and so much is going on. But before I get into that, let's get into the good stuff. Just know that everybody is doing well. Tyler is at school, Sarah is taking a nap right now, baby's off to work, and mama is home doing what mama does. Okay, so I have something good for you guys. I know by the title you guys know that something good is in this video, so I'm just gonna jump right into it before we get into the rest of today's vlog. So as you guys can see, I have something blue in my hand, and once it's something blue, you know, whatever is in that package is good. They always say blue is good, right? I have 4 packages in my hand right now, and these 4 packages is from a company called I Know, and I Know reached out to me to send me a few products to test out. And when I tell you that I've been loving these products, I have been loving each and every one of them, because they come in a time where I really was looking forward to buy these products, and the fact that they send me the products during that time of me wanting these things, it just comes in handy. Now, if you're a busy mom like myself, then you'll understand why I love these products so much. If you're always on the go and love adventure like myself, then you'll know exactly why these products are perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you these products one by one. And the first product, which is I think one of my favorite of all of the things that the company has sent me, and this is Listen phone holder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what the phone holder looks like. No, I didn't even know that this thing exists until I received it. So this is a phone holder, and what it does is that you put your phone right here, and voila, you don't have to hold your phone in your hand. And if you're a multitasking mom like myself, then you know that this would come in handy, because when we are in the house and we're on the go, we're on the phone and we're doing other things, it's not easy to hold your phone in your hand. So what better way of having a phone holder to just tuck your phone right in there, and you can carry on cooking in the kitchen while you're talking on the phone or you're watching something on the phone. It is absolutely perfect, and I have this holder with me everywhere that I walk around in this house, and it's also used for tablets. So this is very useful, and it can rotate. As you guys can see, that the holder can go up and go down, so you can adjust it to whatever position that you want it, and it's pretty easy to install. So this is what it looks like after installing. So that's the first one. So this one is another favorite of mine. This one is the power bank, and the power bank is like a portable charger. So when you're on the go, you're on adventures, you're out on the road and your battery is on low, you just pop out your power bank, plug in your phone card into the bank and into your phone, and it charges your phone. And the cool thing about the power bank is that it doesn't charge just one phone, it can charge 2 phones at the same time. And it have a charging port here, where when the battery of the power bank runs down, you can simply go ahead and charge up your power bank. So this doesn't leave my bag these days. Whenever I am out, I guarantee you that I don't have to worry anymore about my phone battery running down, because I know I have something to top me up. Now, the next one that I'm going to go ahead and show you is the car holder. And you guys know that we go on a lot of adventure, so the car holder is absolutely perfect for us. What it does is that when you're in the car and you're on your GPS, you just place your phone right in there, and it works perfectly. You don't have to worry about can't see the GPS properly if you put down the phone just anywhere. It's a perfect phone holder. It's a perfect phone car holder, and I'll show you guys of how we install it into the car. It's pretty easy to install. It holds your phone really well. It's very sturdy, and it's perfect for your phone to use your GPS, and I would recommend this to anybody. Now, the last item that I have to show you guys is the car charger. And if you have a phone holder, why not just have a car charger? Because they both go hand in hand. Now you're on the go and you're on the road and you're using your GPS. I'm sure your battery going to run down at some point. Your phone can stay right there in the car holder and plugs it into this cute car charger. Now this car charger is pretty solid. It's small, it's really neat. It's fast charging. You know, it's not every car charger that fast charge your phone. This one fast charge your phone, so you don't have to worry about plug it in and it tell you that your phone is going to charge in full charge in the next 5 hours. So this car charger is fast charging, that charge your phone really well. And we now have this one in our car. Here's a look at the fast car charger. It is pretty tiny. There you go. There it is. And it charges 2 phones at a time, as you guys can see. So it's pretty cute. Who wouldn't want one of these? And it's fast charging. Now that you guys have seen all 4 amazing products, I'll leave the link down below to this company where you guys can go ahead and choose any of these products that you want to buy amongst the other products that they sell on this website. Now, this company will be collaborating with me to give away 2 of these products. The 2 products that will be given away is the car holder and the car charger. They both go hand in hand, so it's perfect. So they'll be giving away these 2 products to 3 lucky winners. So 3 persons will be getting 2 of these gifts each. If you win, you'll be getting 2 of these. So all you have to do in order to win this car charger and this car holder, you have to click the 2 Facebook links down below. One of them is a link to listen online, and the other Facebook page is Facebook page. So those 2 Facebook pages, you need to go ahead and follow those Facebook pages. Then you need to make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below entry complete and where you're watching from. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is click the 2 Facebook links down below and follow those Facebook pages, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below entry complete and where you're watching from. And 3 persons will be chosen at random for this gift. So there you have it, guys. Make sure you go ahead and check out the link down below of this website where you can find all these amazing products, and go ahead and choose something from that website. And if you enter this giveaway and you don't drive, don't worry, I'm sure you have family members that drive, or you have a husband or a boyfriend or a friend gifted to somebody. But go ahead and enter this entry. So there you have it with the amazing giveaway for today. I'm pretty excited to see who will win. Now, with all that said, let's get into today's vlog, you guys. My girl left us yesterday. Natasha left yesterday, but I have lost all the footages that we spent the entire day doing. We were roller skating outside and all that, but I'm so sad that all those footages I lost. But anyway, you guys about to see us saying goodbye and she leaving. Yeah, so that's what you guys are about to see right now. You guys will see the kids and babe and everybody else. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Leaving us today. Off she goes. Aww. Yes. I won't cry. Tay, tell us them to tell him. Tay, auntie leaving now.
Because I'm breastfeeding.
Bye bye, auntie.
The auntie coming to kiss you. All this. It was amazing. You guys are awesome people. Come back anytime.
Thank you so much.
We miss you. Where your bag? Let me get your bag. No problem, honey. Later. Bye.
See y'all next time.
All right. Where's the teller? Hi, honey. We drop Tasha. You want water? Water, please, at the train station, and we're heading back home. Look who is awake from their nap. Say hi. Hi. What's making that sound? Popcorn? Sarah loves popcorn, so I'm popping one for her right now. Say popcorn. Popcorn? You want popcorn? You want popcorn? You want popcorn? Popcorn, you're gonna eat some, and when you come back, you eat the rest, okay? We're going for Tyler. We're going for Tyler? Popcorn. This is something that the kids and I love doing. Popping popcorn in the microwave and eat. What's that? Popcorn! Yeah! Is yummy? She loves popcorn. You guys, we're about to go get Tai at school and come back in the sun. Ready to go get Tai? Ready to go for school for Tai? Tyler will be happy that there's popcorn at home. You can't tell him though, it's alright, it's a surprise. Right? It's a surprise. Look who we picked up from school. Say hello to the faves.
Black one.
Had a good day? Alright, let's go inside. It's super hot. Sarah, don't worry, throw away all the popcorn. Take some. Look at this one. Take some. I have to carry some on the road for her. Come, Tyler.
This is healthy.
No, it's not healthy. Well, kinda, sorta-ish. Depends. But it have a lot of sugar. I don't know, a lot. Let's go find these two. Hey! Hi, Sarah. Sarah, radio. Sarah, Sarah, you go in your closet. Oh my gosh.
She's going to her clothes.
Sarah, why you go in your closet and pull out the things? Look at Sarah's closet. Yes, why you going there? Lord have mercy, Jesus. Only Sarah would do this, huh? Horsey. Go, ride the horsey. Good girl. Ride the horsey. Ride. Ride.
Maman, je mets le cheval.
Ride, Sarah. Ride, ride, ride. Go, go, go. Horsey, horsey. What are you doing? You're coming the horse here?
Yes.
You are too funny. Look at him. Sarah said, come here. Say bye-bye. Tell them night-night. Tell night-night. Water, please, Mama. Tell please bye-bye. In your chemise. Look. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow.
Let's go to seven. Wee!
Yay!
Wee!
Wee!
That's one of the first time you guys hear she speak a French word that clear. Again?
Me.
Yay! Alright. Let's go to bed.
Wee.
Wee! Oh God, no. I'm good the way I press me up. Jeez, hit off my hair. It's a good thing it's not fake. It would fall over behind the couch.
No fake? So why is it black and blue? You're trying to make a flag? Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How I miss you today. How's today?
You miss them today?
Yes.
So you not miss me?
You? Not really. I miss Sarah. I miss Tyler. But you?
The entire world know you're lying. So just carry on with yourself. End the vlog now.
Hi guys, I hope you all had a good day. It's a Monday, it's a beautiful day. The entire France is
in front of your TV right now.
in front of the TV right now because the French team is actually losing and they play very bad, terrible. So let's see.
You're
how
playing like they're not the World Cup champ.
they play like
And they have a good team.
They play like they think they're gonna
They're cocky.
win without playing.
Exactly.
Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Anyway guys, well, I hope you're all doing well. It's still very pretty here. It's still very pretty. I was looking at the news and I saw a big part of France is under storm and thunder and all of this, and when you're just in a nice part you just say, huh? At this time of the year?
Oh, I must tell you that everybody requests that they need the story. So before the camera rudely cut off, I was telling you that the fave says that they're ready to hear the story of you walking to downtown Kingston.
Oh, so I'm gonna have to make this.
We do it tomorrow.
Okay, so tomorrow you don't want to miss. a vlog about downtown Kingston.
Tomorrow or the day before, but you guys will get it this week for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you all about it. How we reach.
Wait, save the details. Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys go ahead and enter the giveaway that is in the beginning of today's vlog. Click all the links down below. Make sure that you enter and see if you'll be able to be one of the lucky 3 winners. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. My hot babe, turn on the fan. Jesus, is you turning it off or it wasn't on?
It wasn't tough.